We are in Riyadh in Saudi Arabia attending Tourize, the conference where we discuss the future of tourism. Many announcements are happening in this event, and I have the honor to have with me Mr. Benoit Racle, President of Premium Branch of Accor. You have done a very important announcement, and you inspired us with this announcement.
Thank you, Theodore.
So, first of all, thank you for being with me here. And what actually did you announce? What was the big news for Accor?
So we unveiled today the new brand positioning for Pullman Hotels and Resorts, where we have been working hard to create a brand that is doing very well nowadays, but to create the brand ready for the future. We know there's a new generation of consumers coming to the market who are actually seeking deeper connection, true moment of culture, and authentic connection. So we base our thinking on our legacy. Pullman has always been known to be able to combine two different worlds, and we took that heritage to come with a renewed philosophy for the brand, which is all about provoking new exchanges. So how we take two different things, we combine them to create something new, and actually to provoke a new conversation. So it was all about the reading of today, which is already going live in some of our hotels and will impact our entire portfolio of 150 hotels plus 16 to the pipeline across 40 countries.
Before I go deeper to this announcement, give me some information about the history of Pullman.
So Pullman was born in 1859. It is actually the oldest brand of Accor's portfolio. Mm-hmm. And from the very beginning, this notion of combining two worlds was very, very important. In the 1800s, actually, George Pullman launched the Pioneer, the first sleeping car, because he saw two things very different, sleeping and train, and he combined them to create a new travel experience. But we did that also in the 1900s, where basically we blur the lines and we combine art and marketing to create bold advertising campaign without even showing the product. In the 2000s, we had the same approach with our new MICE offer, merging work and play together. So today, what we are doing is really taking this legacy and making it even more relevant for the next generations of MICE and business planners.
So what is the current profile of Pullman hotels? And how are you going to transform it for the new generation which is coming?
So as we discussed, Pullman is across now more than 40 countries. So our consumers are a bit different everywhere, especially in this part of the world where the consumers are younger than other parts of the world. Our consumers are mostly business travelers. Mm-hmm. And we see, and we spend a lot of time with our focus group and customers. There's a renewed appetite to organize meetings, but in different ways. Mm. People are looking meetings which are more participative, more immersive, with more energy. And we also realize there's a deeper and deeper feeling sometimes of loneliness. And when people are traveling for work, once the event is finished, there's really nothing for them to be able to connect and exchange with other people. It is why we are implementing part of this new brand reveal, not only touch point, but also service culture. Mm-hmm. For more than 9 months now, we have been training all our artists, our associates all over the world to be more receptive and to equip them with tools and trainings to be able to create exchanges between them, consumers, and consumers between themselves.
I think Accor is doing probably is one of the best brands, and they do a great job in training your staff, your people.
It is very important. Yeah. At the end, in my role, I will be able to meet dozens of customers maybe per year when every single artist at Pullman is meeting 100 guests per day. And our role is to connect the guests between themselves.
So you said earlier that you are expanded in many countries. So you are changing the mentality and the concept of the service offered, but are you also changing the the visual visibility of the hotels? Are you changing the design somehow?
So it's a very important thing, and the short answer is yes. And I will give you a couple of examples. When you think of physical design, we are introducing now a new visual signature for all our hotels that we call the Pullman portals. So it is a new way to enter at the entrance of all the hotels all over the world, which will be, it's based on our heritage. When you think our past with our trains and the tunnels or the trains we're going through, it's exactly that heritage that we are bringing to life with a new modern twist. So that's one example. The visual identity of the brand is also evolving. We are revealing today also our new visual identity, where we went back to the origin of the brand, taking the Pullman green to create a new visual identity that actually combined with a new design direction of our Pullman hotels. And the last example also, we have been revamping our Pullman website, where customers nowadays, wherever platform they go, digital, physical, or experiential, they will have the same perception and the same values around them.
I keep what you said at the beginning, this Pullman portal. So it means that when I enter your hotel, it will be like I'm entering in a different world.
It's exactly that. It will be really give you a sense of transition. It's a moment for people entering the hotel to realize there is something around them. And every single Pullman portal will be different. Can be made of wood, can be made locally, can be made of different shows, different things, or lighting. There is a moment where you will just stop for a second saying, something is happening. Where do they want to take me? It's our way for us to provoke your curiosity, for you to be open and ready for more exchanges.
Where can we have this experience first?
So, very good question. Actually, the first Pullman portal has been revealed a couple of weeks ago. It's not far away from here. It's in Dubai, at the Pullman Dubai Jumeirah Lake Towers. It's an incredible portal, and I really encourage you to go and see it. And there's more coming. Every new hotel that we're opening in the future, and there's a couple of them this year, will have this portal.
I'm afraid I'm outside of your customer's profile. I'm not 30 anymore, but I think I can fit.
I see you looking for different ways of connecting with people.
Okay.
And I think it's exactly the way you want to do it. What is important to us at Pullman, come the way you are. And it's really part of a service culture we're giving to our people. And hopefully when you come with us, you have your busy day, there is a moment where you will receive a stimuli, you will receive something making you saying, I want to learn more about that. Or hopefully through what we create at our restaurants and bars, you'll be connected with someone you will have never met before and says, I want to learn more from you and start a conversation.
Great. On the same time, you announced some new Pullman hotels within this new identity. How many are coming on the pipeline?
So we have 16 new hotels coming into the pipeline. And we know that we will be growing the brand by 45%. Our portfolio will grow by 45% in the next 5 years.
Any new destinations?
So we are in 40 countries. We are adding 21 countries on top of that.
Okay.
So we are going to some new destination, in the region or outside of the region. We are going to places like Tokyo. We are adding more hotels in China. We are going to new countries in Europe like Romania. And we are also looking at Americas with more development in Peru.
Great. And what will happen to the 150 existing hotels? When do you expect them to finish this rebranding?
So this is a collaborative work between us and our partners and our owners, where today was the first stage for us to reveal the brand to the public. I've been lucky enough to meet with a lot of owners in the last weeks and months, and I could see their renewed interest to grow Pullman. So we are currently, for example, in this region, have already 20 Pullman under renovation to implement those new concepts, and we'll be doing this effort across the world over the next years.
Our readers are looking forward to be inspired by your
Thank you
renovation.
so much. You will be always welcome at Pullman Theodore.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.